Am I on? Mic check. Am I on? Good to have you here. Why was that face?
You're a little blurry.
Really?
Okay, it's fine.
What? You're scaring me.
Don't be scared.
Don't make me call makeup again. We're good? It's gonna be a quick one, guys. This is a good one. It's a little pasta dish. You can see here, we've got a plethora of stuff here. But today I'm gonna make a little seafood pasta. Right? It's gonna be good. It's got a little mushroom, a little bit of spinach, some sun-dried tomato, a little cream sauce, and this right here is gonna be the secret ingredient to bring it all together. Boursin cheese. Ooh, wait. Oh, wait. Let's get started, huh? Hey there. Welcome to the show. You know what I mean? Done. Papa top. Oh, Papa top. Again. So, I decided to like a nice citrus beer to go with this seafood. Why not? Here you go, babe. Let's start this show off right, huh? Hey, Hu, come on. Come cheers with us. Oh, he's more occupied. Hu? That guy got some dog business. Speaking of dog business. Come on, man. You were supposed to cheers with us. What happened? You got your dog bowl and everything. Water. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? I'm just gonna put that to, you know, a blast. All it is water. Don't freak out. I'm gonna add some salt. I mean, this is pre-cooked shrimp. I have little scallops here. I'm gonna cook that. Now you got a seafood pasta. Throw in your fettuccine. Boom. You're good to go. To bring it all together, we're just gonna start this dish off with just sauteing some onions, some garlic, and then you know, we're gonna go ahead and sear off some of them scallops. Throw in some of your spinach and mushroom, and maybe hit it with a little bit of this lemon vodka that I got here. We'll see. I mean, we'll wait for that. Why don't we just make our sauce? Why not? Let that flavor really get in there. Let's start. You want to start, babe?
Oh, yeah.
We're just gonna get this saute pan here. Just gonna put it on a little high heat, just trying to get that real warm. Right there. Hope everyone's doing well. Things over here in Vegas are starting to slowly open up and slightly kind of get back to normal, but I can always have you guys to keep me somewhat sane. I like that. Keeping the passion and fire alive. Thank you for that. Cheers you for that. Onion. Garlic. And now I'm gonna throw in them scallops. It's gonna be nice. Oh yeah. That smells good. A little lemon vodka. Why not? Oh, not this time. Not that much alcohol content in that one. Mushrooms. Season a little bit more. You know, season as you go. Because, you mean, at the end, all you gotta do is just maybe add a tidbit more salt once you taste it. And you're like, oh wow, I killed it. Because I was killing the seasoning game. Thanks, Jay. Throw a little beer in there. Cool. In here, not in there. So we're just gonna cook down that spinach while everything else is just kind of sweating out, you know, building flavor, enhancing, enhance. Where am I? You're up. You're gonna help me add the pasta. Taz, you're adding the shrimp, dude. Taz, please. Fine. I'll do it, guys. Spread it out, mix it. You want them to stick together. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and add those sun-dried tomatoes there. Tidbit of water to kind of bring it back to life. That's like a trick I like. I mean, if you're ever just cooking a little too fast, you know, oh my god, a little bit of water. It's alright. It's not like it's gonna change too much. Hit it with some creme de la creme. You know me. Protect your neck. Mixing. Mixing, not sticking. Throwing a little bit of herbs. And if you want to know what herbs I used, come on. Parsley, thyme, and rosemary.
Was that for me?
That was for you, babe, but you didn't get the cue, so I just had to say it. At this point right here, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna go ahead and add the Boursin cheese. I'm tired of waiting. The anticipation's killing me. If you never had Boursin cheese, wow. This is the garlic and herb one here. This one right here, I'm just gonna tell you a little story. So when I was in culinary school, it's totally just gonna change the game of the whole flavor. You just took it to flavor, casa. I don't want to say the other one. Casa de flavor, mina. Noodles are almost. It's looking nice. Look at that. I like that. There's a difference between a sauce and a gravy. This right now, I'd say it's a little bit more towards a gravy. I want to actually add a little bit of water. If you had like some seafood stock, that would be wonderful. America loves gravy, which is super thick, sticks to everything. But what we're looking for is a nice nappe. It'll stick to the spoon. Like you put it right there, it's stuck. That's a sauce.
What about ketchup? Is that a gravy? Because it clumps up?
What? Sit! See, that's just not fair.
Oh, it's traveling.
It's not ready. Okay, that's not how you test out noodles. Honestly, just waiting for that noodle. Once this is ready, guys, plating up. You know. So, just gonna go ahead and grab some noodles here. Grab them noodles. Grab them. Just gonna throw a little bit more out there for you. And then, of course, you're gonna want some seafood in your shit, right? So, you know. That looks really nice. That sauce, we'll just add that. Oh, look, I got a shrimp. Almost caught another, but I mean, I don't want to be selfish. Gotta leave some for myself later. Show some flair. Gonna add a little bit of that. Not that.
Oh my god.
Seafood fettuccine. This is a good one. Quick, easy, use 2 pans. Come on, look at this. Wow. If you aren't a fan of seafood, man, you gotta change your ways, honestly, please. Everyone's always like,
Yeah, it's fishy.
well, that's weird. Beef is beefy. I'm just saying, some things I hear, I'm just like, expand. I mean, honestly, coming from like a Hispanic background, a lot of us don't expand. I just want to say, branch out, try some stuff. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of flavor. That's why I'm here. I want to show you guys some stuff. And I want to be a little bit real. So join me. Check me out. Check us out. It's always fun. Get your smells on. Get your drink on. Get your poochies on. Oh, wait. See you next time.